Are you a senior and your knees hurt climbing downstairs? Well, then this video is for you. Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 seniors experience a fall each year? In today's video, I'm going to explore climbing stairs down safely without knee pain. There are a lot of people that experience knee pain climbing not only upstairs but also downstairs. In today's video, I'm going to show you one exercise that you can do in the comfort of your home that's going to help you strengthen your knee so that climbing downstairs will become an easy task. So before we get started, it's always a good idea to check in with your healthcare provider just to give the go-ahead for exercise. Having said that, let's begin. So I know there's some of you that might have difficulty climbing stairs because you've had a knee replacement, or you've got osteoarthritis, or you've just got bad knees and they hurt every time you walk downstairs. So let's start with our one exercise. We're going to break it up into 2 movement patterns, because before we can learn to climb down a stair pain-free, we first need to get the correct technique down for climbing up a step. I want you to start on the smallest step that you can find. I don't want you to feel intimidated where if it's too high, you are going to stimulate that pain, and that's not what we want. So start off on something that's even lower than this. Even if it's half a step, you can still do that. So if you're somebody that struggles with balance climbing downstairs and you've got your banister railing next to you, that could help as well. I don't have that, so I'm going to just use this machine that I've got in front of me here. But you can use whatever you have. If it's a step box, use a wall maybe, or something that's sturdy, or just your banister on your staircase. Let's begin. So we're going to be turning sideways. You can do this climbing up a normal step as well, but I'm just going to demonstrate it sideways so that you can see it better. And the first thing we need to do when we climb a step is we need to use our glutes. And to do that, we need to start tilting slightly forward. And you can see, I want you to look at your knee, and your knee is going to be drifting behind your toes. So you can almost see your entire foot. Once you've got that position, you can now just lift your chest, almost sticking your glutes out a little bit. And then from there, pick yourself up. And once again, I want you to stay on that right leg, and then lean forward again, and then slowly come down with the other foot. Not dropping, just placing the foot gently on the floor. And again, and I'm putting most of my weight through my heels and down. So you can see my glutes are all the way in the back there behind me. I'm moving up, and now I'm pushing my glutes out before I start descending down. And I'm going to repeat this. And we're going to do 5 to 10 times. 3. And I can already feel this bum muscle is working. 3. Let's go 2 more. 4. And I want you to start feeling that you are getting into a groove where every time you step up and down, it's exactly the same pattern. And you know you're doing it right is when you feel your bum muscles working. And let's go for a few more. 9 and 10. And hopefully you don't have that much pain in your knees. So now that we've stimulated the glutes and the correct movement pattern for climbing up a step, we're going to do a small modification, and then we're going to do the exact same thing going down a step. So to do that, you have the same leg that you've got. If it's your painful knee, that's the one you're going to be putting on the step. Now we are going to step up and over to the other side as if we're climbing up and then down a step at the same time. So we go up, making sure that the glutes are out, up there. And now we're going to move slightly forward. We're going to bring this leg just over to the front, and then we're going to place the toes on the ground first, getting that slight hip bend in as well, and then we go down. And then we need to go back up again. So this one might be a little bit harder because you're going to have to press a little bit down with the painful knee. So we're going to press up, get that heel down as quickly as possible behind you, and then back down. And emphasize the movements of the hips going backwards on both. So we're going to go up, and as soon as we come down, as the heel lifts in the back, we push our glutes out backwards as well. Before that heel starts lifting, my hips have shifted backwards. And the same in reverse, hips are pushed back, up, push out, down. Okay, so the bum is out, and as soon as I move down, my bum's going out, and my heel lifts, and I'm down. Up and back. Up and down. Up and back. Up and down. I can really feel the glutes working and the top of the quad working. Down, up, and down. Up and down. And one more, up and down. And there we go. We can do 5 to 10 reps on each side, doing them slow and controlled. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you're looking for another video that's going to help you with stair climbing, check out this video and leave a comment down below and tell me how your exercises are going. See you next time.